How to turn on or off weekly screen time updates on TikTok account using your PC. And okay guys, here in your PC screen, okay, you'll have to do is go to TikTok application or search the tiktok.com on your search bar using your browser. And okay guys, here in your TikTok homepage on left side, go to profile. Here in profile, okay, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, click the gear icon. In TikTok settings on left side, you can see here the screen time. Okay, you can click this. Here in screen time section, you can see the weekly screen time updates. Okay, to turn on this, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on, and if this turn on, stay updated on your time from your inbox. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on, and if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off weekly screen time updates on TikTok account using your PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.